Thiago here. Welcome back, or welcome. And if it's the last one, please let me tell you, we do tech reviews and unboxings of cool tech, like this one today. If that's something interests you, please consider subscribing, give a thumbs up in this video, and share it all around your friends. With this said, we're going to start a review of the power bank YUMGOOD? Sorry if I'm not saying the name correctly. So, this power bank is ultra slim, and it's for my iPhone 17 Pro Max. In this video, I'm going to tell you all about this power bank, price, specs, and in the end, if it's worth the price. With this said, let's start the review. Let's start with the design, because honestly, this was the first thing that caught my attention. This thing is thin. I mean, 0.3 inches is basically the thickness of a slim phone case. When you snap it into the back of your phone, it doesn't feel like you are carrying an extra device. It feels like your phone just got a tiny bit thicker. And that's it. The magnetic alignment is strong enough to stay in place even if you are walking around or tossing your phone into a bag. It doesn't wobble, it doesn't slide, and it doesn't feel cheap. The finish is smooth, minimalist, and clean, which fits nicely with the Apple design. If you are someone who hates bulky power banks, this is the kind of accessory that feels like it should have come with the phone. Now, let's talk about performance, because the slim design means nothing if the power isn't there. The YUMGOOD power bank packs a 5000 mAh battery, which is enough to give most iPhones around one full charge, depending on the model. For the iPhone 17 and 16 series, you'll get close to a full charge. For the smaller models, like the iPhone 13 mini or the 14, you will get a little more than a full charge. The wireless charging is fast and consistent, and the magnetic alignment ensures that you don't have to fiddle with the positioning. It just snaps on and starts charging. There is also a USB-C port if you prefer wired charging and want to charge another device at the same time. And yes, it supports pass-through charging, so you can plug the power bank in and charge both the bank and your phone together. That's super convenient if you are traveling or working on the go. So, who is this power bank actually for? If you are someone who is constantly on the move, whether you are commuting, traveling, or just spending long days away from a wall outlet, this is a great everyday carry. It's also perfect for minimalists who don't want bulky accessories. If you are a content creator filming on your phone, this is a lifesaver because it keeps your battery topped up without adding weight or blocking your grip. And if you are using one of the newer iPhone 16 or 17 models, like I am with the 17 Pro Max, the magnetic connection feels even more secure thanks to the update MagSafe ring alignment. Let's quickly talk about the price, because this is where the YUMGOOD power bank becomes even more appealing. In UK at the moment has a price tag of £12.99, down from £14.99, which is a really great value for the MagSafe style wireless charging in this size. For the US, the price tag is $14.99. Like always, I'm going to leave links in the video description, so please use them. It doesn't harm you, but helps the channel. So, my final opinion. Overall, the YUMGOOD Slim 0.3 inches magnetic power bank is one of the most convenient portable chargers I have tested in this size category. It's slim, it charges reliably, and integrates seamlessly with iPhone design. It's not meant to replace a big 20,000 mAh power bank for long trips, but for the daily use, it's honestly one of the best compact options out there. If you want something that doesn't get in the way and keeps your phone alive through the day, this is a solid pick. And that's it, guys. This was our quick review on a YUMGOOD power bank for the iPhone 17 Pro Max in this case, or iPhone 17. As you guys can see, really slim and, in my opinion, a cheap product for you to have. Like always, I'm going to leave links in the video description. So use them, it doesn't harm you and helps the channel. With this said, Thiago here, wishing you guys a lovely day with your friends and family, and I'll catch you in the next one.